Hey, it's the KillerRich51 back again with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the GoalZero power for your universe. So you can pick it up on Amazon. Links are in the description. The price $12.98. So you're looking at $14.15. So let's go ahead and take a look at the features. They're right on the box. So it says 100% power for your iPhone, built exclusively for the OtterBox universe case. The rechargeable slide battery easy slips into place behind your case and provides power to go all day, all night. Certified lightning connector for seamless recharging. Integrated kickstand, perfect for hands-free media viewing. Easy accessible one-touch lights. Built-in slotted rail for solar panel and other modulars. So right here it says pre-charged battery indicator, one-touch lights, and then right here you get a picture here as you see, and here's your battery pack. So now let's see what we get inside. So first thing that we get is a micro USB, as you see. So we get USB-A to micro USB. So as you see here, looks pretty cool. So let's put that to the side, and then last but not least, we get the battery pack, as you see here. So let's put these boxes to the side. So here's the battery pack. So right here's your flashlight, and this is a button right here. So let me blind y'all real quick. Right here is a metal kickstand. So as you see, it says GoalZero. So this is a metal kickstand. As you can see, it has magnets. So let's go ahead and do the shake test. So as you see, the kickstand is not coming out. So this is when you want to watch your movies or Netflix or YouTube. You can have it in landscape. Right here is for your solar panel. So if we go ahead and slide this out, as you see, this is for your solar panel. Unfortunately, they do not sell solar panels anymore, so I do not know why they are discontinued. And then at the bottom we get a micro USB port, as well as a indicator and a button to check how many batteries you have. So mine's at 100%. Then right here you get your lightning connector, as you see, and this is where you slide into the case. So this is a 2500 milliamp, as you see there. So yeah, so now let's go ahead and slide it into the case. So here's my OtterBox universe case here. So now let's go ahead and slide it in. Okay, so there you go, it's slide in. So it's pretty cool. Feels good in the hands. And if you want to watch your YouTube, like I said, you can kick out the kickstand, and then boom, now you can watch your movies, whatever. Or if you want a flashlight, so let me blind y'all real quick one more time. So there you go. So if you want to charge your phone, just press and hold this button right here. So as you see, it's charging. So as you see there, the green indicator. If you want to turn it off, just press and hold. This button's a little hard to find. There you go. As you see, now it's not charging. So what I like about this battery is you can charge the battery with the phone, so it's pretty cool. And so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up, helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.